Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off suggested tracks on Spotify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, it doesn't matter if you're using your mobile device or your computer. As long as you have a Spotify account and the app, you're good to go. So now let's proceed on the tutorial, okay? So just go ahead and open your Spotify and click on any playlist that you want. So here, as you can see, I have suggested tracks on this playlist, right? So if you want to turn this off, you just need to click on the enhance button at the upper part of your screen. So now, as you can see, all of the suggested tracks are now removed. Okay, so that's so easy, right? And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.